How to create transparent text effect in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're first going to do is we're going to get our imagery here and of course a text that we will convert into a transparent text. So get any font over here that you like, and what you're going to do, you're going to click on our effects over here on the top section and you're going to click on halo. We could adjust our thickness over here. The thickness depends on your preference, but we're going to have this. So the things that you need, of course, your subject, your image, and then the text that you want to do a transparent effect of. After this, we're going to download the specific image over here. You can see, click on download. And we're going to re-upload that into our Canva over here. So let's wait for our photo over here to be downloaded, and what we're going to be utilizing, we're going to try that again. Accidentally selected more options, so let's just download the first one over here. There we go. So what the feature that we will be utilizing is a feature available for Canva Pro. So over here, if we enlarge our photo over here just like this, and we're going to click on background remover. The background remover will allow us to remove the background and have just this effect over here, as you can see. Very cool. So now what you're going to do is you're going to download this photo over here that you have removed background. So click on download, click on the specific page, click on done, then click on download. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our original image over here. And we're going to remove our effect. So we're just going to have a very solid effect over here. Now, we're going to upload our image that we have just downloaded, which is our second image over here. So there we go. So it's going to be here, as you can see. So now you're simply going to put this into your image over here. And the key thing that you need to do is to click on right click and click on layer and click on bring to front, and simply drag to fit the size, and there we go. You now have a transparent effect of your text. Now it might be funky, as you can see. It's not perfect. There will be some edges over here that doesn't work, but that's because we were utilizing an edge or like an outer line, wherein if we click this and our effect, we were using halo, so it's just adding a layer on the outside, but still looks pretty good, as you can see. It's much better if you fit the image over here, like fit it to the shape or the canvas that you have. That would allow you to just easily clip in the image. So after doing this, simply click on share and download so that you could easily download the entire image as is. So that's basically it, guys. So if you want to try out this feature, click the link in the description. That will give you a Canva Pro trial for 30 days. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.